Today I have decided to become rich by trusting ChatGPT. In this video I'm gonna show you how I tested this AI trading strategy 100 times to find out if it really works. Is it even possible to execute profitable trades using artificial intelligence, or these thumbnails are just clickbait? Simply continue to very end. Hello everyone and welcome again into my place, where with each new video I try to bring you one step closer to successful trading and to keep you profitable. My name is Ivailo and this is Elite Trading Zone. After taking the trouble to research quite a few YouTube channels, I found that this one, TradeIQ, is one of the biggest. Dude is quite popular, he has more than 130,000 subscribers. And as you can see, he has a lot of views of his videos. Now, the strategy I will test will be this one. ChatGPT trading strategy made 19,527% profit. Full tutorial. The most popular video with 897,000 views for only 1 month. He claims the results are more than 19,000. I repeat, 19,000% profit for 100 trades. This means that if you deposit just $100, you will be already 19 grand richer. Okay, let's try it. Without further ado, let's jump right in. He tested the strategy 100 times on Ethereum 3-minute time frame. Or so he says. Okay. For our setup, we just need 3 indicators. First, go to Indicators tab and search for Machine Learning KNN based strategy created by Capissimo. The next indicator is called the EMA ribbon by Dominic Ocelletti, or the Ocelletti, I don't know, but that indicator no longer exists, or at least I can find it. EMA ribbon is created by plotting several EMAs with different periods and 200 EMA. I replace it by EMA ribbon by John Man 1. If you haven't paid for the TradingView package, just change the before last EMA to 200. Mine is paid and I will add an additional 200 EMA. As the last indicator, we add RSI, Relative Strength Index. Now that we've added the 3 indicators, it's time to set them up. We will start with the RSI. Go to the settings right here, left, and go to style and change the RSI upper band to 60 and the RSI lower band to 40. And press OK. We leave the other 2 indicators at default. Let's move on to the entry conditions for a long trade. The following must be met. The price must be closed above the 200 EMA. The ribbon must also be above 200 EMA. The price must pull back into the ribbon without closing below the long-term EMA. The machine learning strategy must then print a blue label. Lastly, the RSI must be oversold, the prior to the buy signal. Under these conditions, we open a long position, putting stop below the recent swing low and targeting 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. This is exactly how TradeIQ tells us to enter a long position. Okay, as you can see here, the price is closed above 200 EMA, the ribbon is above 200 EMA, we have a blue label from machine learning KNN based strategy, and the RSI is oversold. We enter a long position at the close of this candle, putting our stop loss at the previous swing low and targeting 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. This is how we enter a long position. Before I move on to testing 100 trades, I need to explain you how to enter a short position. Wait until the price and the ribbon fall below 200 EMA. The price must pull back into the ribbon without closing above 200 EMA. The RSI must become overbought during the pullback. Do not short when the RSI is oversold at the time the sell signal was issued. After that, wait for a machine warning to give a final confirmation. Open a short trade only if all rules are in place. Set the stop loss above the recent swing high and target 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. The price is below 200 EMA. We have a pullback to EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon is also below 200 EMA. We have a red signal from machine warning strategy. Lastly, RSI is oversold. We can enter a short position at the close of this candle and putting our stop loss at the recent swing high and targeting, of course, 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. As you can see here, the trade was profitable. This is exactly how you enter a short position, and now my suffering starts. After 100 trades, I failed to make $19,000, but I was definitely $100 poorer. What is the conclusion? Don't rely on artificial intelligence to make you rich trading. The only who can help you become a successful trading is yourself. If you start reading or watching videos from real people, I say real people, about trading, you will start building your foundation in the financial markets. And so, step by step, you will get closer to your goal, which, I repeat, you must set for yourself. My goal is to help as many people as possible with this channel. I know that my English is not the best, but whoever wants to will see, hear and try. Whoever doesn't understand will ask. People once say, you get to Rome by asking, which one are you from? Till the next time.